mana Bible sọ bụ na mmehie adọ na mgbaghara mmehie aga adị n'ime ihe niile agha ebiela ga violent continue
I will come enjoy it. All parts of Palace of Justice will be too much. Despite my short course, still show me love. In fact, I will still appreciate you. People can be over there.
The man when Hali does again, that again. I mean, that again, mommy kid, that again. Now we there here. So you will come again. Oh, information minister. I got beach now. Sorry, I want to be. I bet my dad kilo ato. Kilo. 18 nigga we shi ba okuko. Ma Igbo we gbe kele mu no. Odo the one love. Our Palace of Justice. Our Woko God under sir. Bibi. Everybody do food guy asana. When God draw the many sins. One love. Odo.
So finally, Ken Palace of Justice Apatagona prison from Senegal. After almost 6 months, a bit more than 6 months. One thing that got me on this video that I want to advise him on is that now from on a video finally that violence continues, saga continues. Emarandeba is na onye ọra nọ n'ụwa ofu isi arụọ ya n'anya ugboro na-abụ bụ onye na-ana iyi. You know, all this violence and the saga bụ ihe imegide ogbukpuo gị ebe nọ ife ọka isi change nọ like amam ihe nji amụra mụ na video, but you can watch yourself on the mirror and compare yourself before you na-aba na that prison. Kemaro the difference between now and then. You think ya the reason ihe mere ji wee ba prison ahụ ịba wee pụta nka. We think ya ma that thing mere ji wee ba ọ ka kwesịrị na ị ga-ebidokwu ya again. My brother, there is always a way to do your thing on social media without, you know, trying to cause trouble, drag people unnecessarily. You know, so if I should advise you, just focus on a real content. That is, if you even still want to continue this your thing. So content game baro onwe guru, because all this your saga continues. If care is not taken, okay, tikwe ginan sobozo. And that this second time, my brother, onwerike Oga Dzirigizi, it's good to have you back.